Hello, this is another one of the videos and themes on keeping business local. My name is Joe Capper. I'm with Illustrated Properties and I work out of the Hope Sound C Branch office. And we have a vendor directory for our neighborhood in Mariner Village that showcases local vendors, particularly folks that live in the area and also the surrounding areas. Chris, would you tell us a little about yourself?
Yes, sir. Good morning. Thanks
Morning.
for having me. Been in the building industry for about 25 years. Recently moved to Florida from Charlottesville, Virginia, where I'm also a licensed Class A general contractor. We do everything from the ground up, new construction, renovations, additions, that sort of stuff. And so here, just looking to kind of squeeze that down a little bit to a business I can run on my own.
You know, being a realtor, I get a lot of these questions. Hey Joe, do you know someone that can come fix a faucet or just even small things? Do you think that's something that you could be responsive towards?
Yes, absolutely. No job too small.
You're willing to take on the types of work or the smaller jobs that a lot of contractors don't find worth their while to come.
Yeah, I mean everything from tile and hardwood floors to trim carpentry, cabinets, countertops, drywall, painting, light electrical stuff, changing fixtures and things of that nature, faucets and light fixtures, that sort of thing.
Okay, so you can do like light plumbing too? Folks need like a leak or something. Okay, cool.
Yeah. Being a homeowner myself, I'm aware of the fact that, it's not always a $20,000 or $30,000 kitchen that somebody wants. Sometimes they just need a light fixture changed or a faucet fixed, those sorts of things. We pride ourselves on being reliable, giving people what we tell them we're going to, showing up when we say we will, and getting things taken care of in a timely manner.
Referrals is also a good part.
It is. I find that people know what they're getting if they're taking a referral from a friend or a family member.
Yeah.
Versus just picking somebody out of the phone book or off the internet.
Now Chris is going to give you his contact information, which you'll also see the phone number on the screen, and you'll also be able to get more details in the comments box. Chris, give us your number.
Our office number is 772-266-8371.
Great. Thanks for your time, Chris.
Yes, sir. Thank you.